Hey everyone, it's Justin again. I am so glad that you're here today. I've been trying to help my friend Jordan this week, but we're both stuck and I'm kind of hoping that our next unit of algebra will be able to help. Let's get into it. See, Jordan's been making YouTube videos for a few years now, and she really wants to be able to make YouTube her full-time job. But of course, she needs to be sure that she'll make enough money. She knows that she needs $2,500 per month, but we're having trouble figuring out how many views she'll need to get each month to make $2,500. Here's what we do know. Jordan makes money on YouTube from the ads that play at the beginning of her videos. She makes about 12 cents every time someone watches an ad. Over the last few months, Jordan has been averaging 80,000 total video views across all of her videos per month. The problem is that not all 80,000 of the people who watch her videos watch the ad. Some people might skip it or have ad blocking software on their device. In fact, only 18% of her viewers actually watch the ad. So we know a lot, but what we don't know is how many monthly views will produce enough ad views to make $2,500 in a month. Since we don't know what the number of monthly views is, I can use a variable to represent it, like V for views. But how do I find the value of a variable like V? We're going to have to learn how to solve equations to do that. Solving equations and finding the value of a variable is one of the most useful skills that you can learn in math. Just imagine being able to look at any situation and find that last missing piece to make it work. This is how engineers figure out how many cables it will take to support a suspension bridge like this one. Or how a chef figures out how many crates of eggs to order for a week's worth of customers. It's also how doctors figure out how much medicine to give each patient based on their weight. As we go through this unit, be sure to look out for other places and careers where solving equations might be useful for you. During this unit, you'll learn how to solve all kinds of equations, from nice simple ones like this to much more complex ones like this that will require all of those simplifying skills you learned with expressions. We'll even look at ways we could take formulas and equations, like this equation here that represents how to find the area of a trapezoid, and rearrange them to solve for a different piece. For now though, what's most important is that you are ready to do your best in this unit. That of course means that you have your PDF for this unit ready to go so that you have access to all of your guided notes, learning activities, and bonus opportunities. And as always, if you get stuck or need help along the way, you can check in with your guardian and compare your notes to the answer key together. By the end of this unit, we'll be able to come back and figure out how many monthly views Jordan will need to hit her goal of $2,500. I'll see you next time.